Hello guys, Zeb from New Zealand. So we have got a MacBook Air A1466 which is board number 820000165 with no display. This video is to show you how to replace the backlight IC, and we will have a look on the logic board. It has got no trace or evidence of if it's liquid damage, but the backlight IC has got a visible traces of there is a liquid damage, moisture somehow accumulated there, and that has burned the backlight IC. So and like us, maybe you have got sometimes customer, they will tell you that it's never been liquid damage, but when we open it, it's liquid damage. So have a look on this logic board and see how clean it is. So there you go. See, it's a clean board. Nothing you can find here that gives you any sort of trace that it was in contact with any liquid. So let's have a look under the microscope here so that we can see clearly. Okay, so let's have a look here. So I will show you quickly. So I think you can see. Yep. So have a look. So just quickly, because see, nothing here, nothing, and because it has got no display, so the first thing I will tell you to check is the backlight fuse, which is this one here. This, check this. So I have already tested this, so it's all working good. But see, you look at the backlight IC here. See, so backlight IC has got. So guys, this is very important. Like, how come when the whole board is clean and just the moisture it has accumulated here? So there is a science behind it, and that science is moisture in the air. So moisture in the air, it will accumulate. So are they guys here discussing about the liquid damage? Come, I'm making a video. I will show you. So this will be posted on the YouTube anyway. So you look at this board here. See, do you find anything here which is liquid damage? Nothing. Okay, so MacBook Air. Is that yours? Yeah, so I do YouTube videos, so I'm making a YouTube video to this is what I'm trying to tell. Like, people, they say no, it was never liquid damage, and that I explained her as well. So how it works? See, do you see here that this is your backlight IC, this one here. I will show you here. So you will see. See, I have already rubbed few of the, see this. So even the whole board is clean, how come the moisture has come here? So I will tell you. Okay, there is a moisture in the air. Okay, and the moisture, the water boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, so see, so if there is if I put a coin here which is 20 degrees centigrade, this is 40 degrees centigrade, and this is 100 degrees centigrade. So what is happening? Air is flowing. It will do nothing on which is 20 degrees centigrade, 40, but where the temperature is high, so that moisture in the air, it will evaporate, and it will turn into water. and then when you turn it off, turn it on, it start accumulating here. This is your backlight IC. So it has burned the backlight IC. I don't know about this. This is a capacitor. It should be okay, but this is burnt. So I have got the backlight IC, which is very common repair I do. So so this is not your fault. This is how it is. You know. This is yeah. Yes. So yeah, this moisture has not accumulated within half an hour. This is maybe over a time of year or 6 months, you know. So this is not something that has happened suddenly. No, this is over the time. Yes, exactly. And then yeah. Hmm. No, because moisture was already there, it was running, and then now this is the time where the conductivity happened because water has got conductivity, and then it burnt the backlight. So this. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. It will be ready tomorrow. Oh yes, we are open tomorrow. We'll give you a ring. The other one is this one here. This is so guys. Have you seen? I was talking about the same thing, and the owner, the customer for this same logic board, the MacBook. She was here and she said it was never been to you know, it was never in contact with any water, but somehow it's liquid damage, which I have explained them. I think you heard that. So let's take this backlight IC out and put a new one, and then we will test um, after replacing the backlight IC if it worked or not. So have a look here. So first of all, I will mark it the orientation, which is I usually do it this way here. Put some flux. You know, look it at that side. No, don't worry about it. So here you go. So guys, as I was explaining to these customers, so how the moisturizer moisture has accumulated here. So because air has got moisture in it, so when there is a very hot surface where the moisture can turn into liquid, um, it will start accumulating there, and then you know when it turn it off, it will show some marks of moisture. So this happens over the years of time. So if you have got a customer that will say, nah, my iPhone or my MacBook was not liquid damage, you have done something wrong, just explain them. So there you go. So see guys here, can you see this whole area? So it's all liquid damage. Let's give it a clean. See, this cap has came out, so I should have one from the donor board anyway. So this I will keep it just in case if I couldn't find one from the donor board. I should have one, but anyway here. So oh, this is bad. See, this one is I have to do. Let's give it a clean. Okay. This was pretty bad actually. Wow. So it's all like sort of graded. See, even this one here and this one. I hope this pad should be okay. So I would like to tin it with some leaded solder and then give it one more clean. So I'm happy the way it, I thought maybe these two pairs under the backlight IC are damaged, but now once I have tinned it I can see they are shiny, so that's all good. So there is another one that's this one here, it's gone. So wow, even that one I have to replace all of these. Very bad damage. So guys, this backlight IC, as I was showing you, I will show you in the schematic diagram here. Sorry. So C1922, which is this one here, and then C1902, which is this one here. They are on PP3V3 board line for the backlight. So they were, while I was giving it a clean, so they also came out. So I have to replace these two capacitors and this big one here as well, which is also a capacitor. So um, so I have got a donor board which I have removed. These components I have already removed, and I have already put two here, and then the last one I will show you. As you can see, even the pads are burnt. So this capacitor, which is which one is it? This one, which is C1922. So the whole pad is burnt. So as you can see, I have to do jumping later on. So first I have already replaced this one from the donor board. This I have already done one end, but the one pad is burnt gone, and I will put this one, and then I will put the backlight IC, and then I will do some jumping here. So show you here. So little bit of flux is there, that's why maybe it's not pretty clear. So anyway, so this is the last one I have to do, and then I think I will do. Man, this is bad. Are you? Can you see? Yeah. So anyway, I will solder one end with a soldering iron, and then I will do with the heat gun. This is how I like doing it, so that I don't have to hold it, it's there, and then I will just do it with the heat gun later. So come on. See, I don't know, maybe you can't see clearly. Anyway, I will give it a clean and then should be okay. Is it light enough? No, 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 no. So I will move the board around. Okay. Yep, that's all done. So guys, let's have a look. So now I think you can see. So see, I have replaced this capacitor here from the donor board, this one here, and this one. But as you can see, the pads from this side was burnt. So what I have to do, as you can see, this is still not connected because I put that capacitor here where I find it can be soldered, and from here to here I will do jumping, but that I will do after I have installed the backlight IC. So rest is all look good to me. So I will just give it a clean little bit more here, because this was I think you can see under the microscope, see this one here, this was this one, and the next one was pretty rusted. So I will give it a one more clean, and then we will put the I was quite happy by looking at it that it's just the IC, but it came out to be some more capacitor as well. So that's all clean, and then we will put new IC, backlight IC, which is, where is it, here. Okay, all good. Okay, all good. So guys, this is how tiny it is, comparing it with my thumb. You can't even see my thumb. So let's put it here, and this is my, okay, let's put it on my fingernail. So that's on my fingernail now. See, this is how small it is. Anyway, so where is it? Here. So we'll just put it right, and then okay. So just hold it here with steady hands, and then start hitting. No, 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 no. Bad. Not be moving. So we will just leave it there. I would like to put little bit more flux. Yep. And then heat again. That's all done. And the last thing we have to do, as I told you before, is to jump wire. Jump wire from here to here. It should be easy. So first I will thin the pad. That's too much. So, but that doesn't make any difference because they are all in the one line. So this is all on one line. So it should be okay. So guys, I will be using this 0.02 mm jump wire, even though I think this is little bit thin, like to carry the voltage for a backlight. But what I will do, I will put twice, you know, I will put two lines. So I will show you here. Come on, can you see there? Okay, I will put it, where is it? Here. Okay, so I will hold this wire here, and yep, Okay, once it's done I will give it a clean so that you can see. So that's all done. Happy with that, and now we will give it a clean. It looks little bit messy, but what I can do, because you know, this whole area was burnt and you know the pad was damaged, so the main thing here is um, we have got the backlight and then it's long lasting, so that is I should be pretty happy with that. This is I have to remove, so I will give it a clean now. So guys, put the new backlight IC, what is it there, and replace these three capacitors. This one is jump wired, as you can see, so looks okay to me. This area is little bit, you see the flux is there, but this, the pad here and here, they were burnt, so this is how it is, so there's nothing I can do about it. So anyway, we'll put it back in the MacBook and see how it goes. So guys, here is the board which we have already replaced the backlight IC, which was, can you see? Oh yeah, here I'm not happy with the performance. This is a Logitech Brio camera, so I think I will be returning it. Okay, so go closer, closer. Yep, let's see how close can I go, and then yep, come on, come on, zoom. Anyway, so let's put it back, and the only cable we needed, 20 cable, that is there. Okay, so we will put the battery, and rest we don't need. We have got SSD installed already, so let's turn it on. So this is turn on button. Nothing yet. Turn it on again. Come on. Okay, let me check. Oh, we haven't connected the the LCD connectors. What the hell, man? Come on. So let's do it again. Okay, so where is the power button? Here, here. Okay. I will turn off this light. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, we have got the Apple logo, and then the it's all done. Backlight stored. So I will just, so guys, this was MacBook Air A1466 and 820000165, which was moisture damage, backlight IC and the capacitors around it, which was restored successfully. So thanks for watching the video. If you are in New Zealand, you would like to learn these sort of repairs, then you can go to our website and send us an email. Thank you for watching. Bye.